Hey guys, so I'm back with part 2 of exploring alternative career options if things don't work out in the US, which actually didn't work out for me. So this is something that I'm actually exploring for myself as well, and I'm so sorry that it took so long for me to get this video out, but here we are today. Today we're looking at the UK, and हाँ वही UK जिन्होंने लूट के हमारे देश को ऐसी हालत में छोड़ा है कि अब हमें वही देश पसंद नहीं आता, तो हम इसलिए अपना देश छोड़ के बाहर जाते हैं अपनी जिंदगी बसाने. तो अब थोड़ा हिसाब बराबर करने का वक्त आ चुका है. But anyways, today we're discussing UK's high potential individual visa, and no, you do not need a job offer to apply for this visa. So basically with this visa, you're allowed to work in the UK for 2 years without sponsorship, and 2 years की जगह 3 if you have a PhD. And if you don't have a job offer, you can actually use this visa to go and job hunt in the UK, and you don't need to be in the UK to do job hunting. You can do it virtually from a distance. But सोचो तुम sponsorship के questions पे finally no answer कर पाओगे, and that will be your dream come true, isn't it? So you're only eligible to apply if you've graduated from certain universities, and वो universities की list तुम्हें मिलेगी UK की official website पे. तुम जाओगे and तुम eligibility वाले tab पे click करोगे, and यहाँ पे तुमको देखोगे कि हर साल एक नई list release होती है. Your graduation date should not be older than 5 years, so you have to actually click on the year that you graduated, and you will find a list of universities, and you have to look for your university in that list. Once you've made sure you're eligible, the first thing you're going to do after that is get your ACTIS certification. That is something that I most recently did myself. The ACTIS certification basically confirms that you are indeed eligible to apply for the UK visa, and they will ask you for documents like your proof of English speaking, your transcripts, your graduate degree, and you have to pay about $322 for the certification. So if you want to apply for your ACTIS certification, go to this website, sign up for an account, and then log in and start a new application. To know which service you should actually get, you can go to qlsactis.com, and then you can answer a few questions, and they'll tell you which certification you should actually get. I got the English and qualification comparison. So if you've studied in the US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, you do not need to provide proof of English speaking, because in countries में भोजपुरी में तो पढ़ाते नहीं है. Just leave that field blank or just re-upload your degree, which is what I did, and my certification still came out positive. So don't worry about retaking the TOEFL or the IELTS for this. Okay, so to apply for the actual visa, which I have to do myself as well, you'll go to the same government website and then start a new application. The documents that you'll need are your ACTIS certification, your graduate degree, a valid passport, and then you have to have proof of funds कि तुम्हारे बैंक में 1200 pound के करीब है, and you'll also have to pay a visa fee of 210 pounds, and on top of that you have to pay a health surcharge of 600 pounds per year, so total 1200 pounds, and you also need to test for TB, by the way. And I think that's about it. बाकी का बचा पूछा I'll tell you guys once I've done the application myself, so stay tuned.